Welcome to Flick's Water YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to unravel the mysteries of laundry and share expert tips on how to revolutionize your approach to washing clothes. From water temperatures to detergent dosages, we'll dive into the details to ensure your laundry routine is not only effective but also environmentally friendly. Stay tuned for practical advice that will extend the lifespan of your garments and make your laundry day a breeze. Before we start, can you please click the subscribe button below? We really need your support to develop this channel and publish more and more videos. Just one click on the subscribe button, you are helping us and we really appreciate it. Again, we really need your help. Please click on the subscribe button below. Thank you. Thanks to some caring friends and helpful Twitter threads, I've learned that doing laundry right is not only sensible but also great for the environment. Did you know the average washing machine in the US uses 41 gallons of water per load? Crazy, right? So, let's dive into some expert advice on how to make your laundry routine better and smarter. First off, how often should you be doing laundry? According to Patrick Richardson, aka the laundry evangelist, you can extend the life of most garments by going a little longer between washes. He suggests washing underwear and socks after every wear but wearing shirts 3 times and jeans up to 10 times between washes. Towels? Every 3 or 4 uses. Now, what about water temperature? The consensus from experts is leaning towards cold water. Not only is it gentler on modern fabrics, but it's also more energy efficient. Derek Guy, the menswear guru, and Richardson recommend washing on cold, but Richardson, living in Minnesota, prefers a warm water express cycle, arguing that it's better for your clothes' lifespan. And speaking of detergent, are you using too much? Richardson advises using just 2 tablespoons for a large load, as excessive detergent can actually prevent your clothes from getting fully clean. Oh, and where you put that detergent matters too. Powder in the designated drawer, liquids on top of clothes, and pods at the back or bottom for quicker burst in circulation. Now, let's talk about fabric softener. Richardson is not a fan, pointing out that it can trigger allergies and reduce absorbency, especially problematic for towels. And Russell adds that softener can make clothes harder to clean in the long run. So, maybe it's time to reconsider your fabric softener habits. When sorting clothes for washing, Russell's rule is clear: never wash pure white with anything that isn't pure white. And if you have bright, multicolored items, she recommends using a color catcher to prevent dye transfer. Dry cleaning? Derek Guy suggests doing your homework before dropping off your beloved items. Ask if the dry cleaner cleans on site, how they handle stains, and whether they remove trims from garments. And limit dry cleaning. It's not always great for your clothes' stains. Guy advises understanding the fabric and stain type before using pre-treatments. For expensive pieces, consider a reliable dry cleaner. For the less cherished items, OxyClean might be your go-to solution. Now, are you overloading your dryer? Derek Guy warns that relying too much on your dryer can ruin clothes. If you have to use it, never overload, and skip the dryer sheets. They coat clothes with chemicals. Sheets, towels, undies, and socks are dryer-friendly, according to Richardson, and if your clothes are smelling a bit off, Richardson's ultimate hack is spraying them with vodka. Cheap vodka works wonders in removing odors without leaving a scent. So, there you have it, a guide to doing your laundry better and smarter. Take care of your clothes, and they'll take care of you. Happy laundering! Please hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons below to support us if you like this video. Thank you and see you in next videos.